The midsize truck market has never been hotter, and GMC has dropped an absolute off-road weapon. This is the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X AEV Edition, a factory-built overland truck designed to take on anything you can throw at it. Today, we'll break down its design, performance, interior, and why it's unlike any other midsize pickup on sale. This isn't just an appearance package. The AEV Edition is engineered for real off-road abuse. AEV heavy-duty steel bumpers with recovery points and winch capability, 5 boron steel skid plates protecting vital components, unique 17-inch AEV beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler MT tires, higher stance with 10.7 inches of ground clearance and Multimatic DSSV dampers, exclusive AEV badging, grille, and fender flares. It looks aggressive, capable, and absolutely ready for the backcountry. Under the hood, you'll find GMC's 2.7L turbo high-output engine, delivering around 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard 4WD with low range. This powertrain provides plenty of grunt for crawling up rocks, powering through sand, or towing your overland trailer, up to 7,700 pounds. The AT4X AEV Edition is more than just big tires and badges. Multimatic DSSV dampers tuned for high-speed off-road stability, front and rear electronic locking differentials for maximum traction, enhanced approach and departure angles thanks to AEV bumpers, terrain mode and off-road mode integrated into GMC's drive selector. This is one of the few midsize trucks that can go toe-to-toe with Jeep Gladiator Mojave or Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, straight from the factory. Step inside, and GMC hasn't forgotten about comfort. Exclusive obsidian rush interior with red accents, 11.3-inch centered touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 11-inch digital driver display with off-road performance pages, heated and ventilated leather seats with AEV logos, plenty of storage, USB-C ports, and available premium Bose audio. It's rugged enough for mud boots, yet luxurious enough for long road trips. GMC equips the AT4X AEV Edition with advanced tech, including surround view camera system with underbody views, adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert with auto braking, off-road performance display showing pitch, roll, and steering angle. This truck keeps you informed and protected, whether you're in the city or halfway up a mountain trail. The 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X AEV Edition is not just an upgrade, it's a factory-built adventure rig with no compromises. With its serious off-road hardware, powerful engine, and premium cabin, it stands as one of the most capable midsize pickups ever made. Would you take this over a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro or a Ford Ranger Raptor? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dive car reviews.